people. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My ogbonge people, today topic na about Ernest wey Kpeme that day, na about am now I wan talk about today. My darling people, sometimes I go dey wonder if our people, some of our people, if they okay. I would wonder because this guy Kpeme, nobody dey happy when he Kpeme, like the thing pain everybody. Why some people now? Because I dey react to the video when the wife do. I dey see video when the wife, I will put the video more and see my darling people. Why it be say if somebody Kpeme, people go dey write bad comments, they dey write bad things. E no good. E no good because the wife come out now the verse. The woman the verse because the husband don Kpeme. Why una come dey write nonsense? Why una dey write bad thing against the person wey don Kpeme already? E no good now. The wife no go dey happy. The wife say they see wetin people dey write for internet. They write bad thing against the husband. Person wey don Kpeme already. E no good make they even talk bad of am at all. But una fear God o. Una no dey fear. Person wey don Kpeme, una come dey talk bad about am. Like the thing dey shocktalize me, the thing dey surprise me. E no good now. Maybe we dey use our HQ sometimes. Person wey don Kpeme already, now una dey talk bad of. Una no dey fear. My darling people, when I see the video, me I shocktalize. I go put the video more now. Wetin the woman talk, it really makes sense. When I call they make the woman they feel pains the more. The woman say in dey happy, say your husband go he go dey heaven because he really fought a good fight before he Kpeme. God know why. Now God know why he go. I see one video when the other guy do the art film too. That one say people they say the actor not help, this one not help. See whether they know whether they help on that ground. Nobody really know. It's whether they know whether they help on that ground. Maybe say they don't do comments. Nobody know. Nobody really know. Why be say person don't Kpeme? People, that time people come they talk different things. This one will come talk. This one will come talk. This one will come put video way don't take. This one will come. So the thing they prolong like that. I beg, maybe not they do this kind of thing. They not good. Just see the way this woman now the verse. See what they talk about your husband. See what they talk. See bad what they talk about your husband. It's not good. My darling people, maybe they use our HQ sometimes. The woman now the verse. Say because many things when you don't hear when they talk about your husband. I see one video where the other lady see do too. That one say you don't Kpeme now una come they publish am. Now una come they talk. The time when I was supposed to talk, when I say rest in peace, Ernest was a good man. He was a good man. He was this. But why they not fair Elam when they are alive? Now say, that's so life be. Now so the life be, my sister. Now so life just be. First you don't Kpeme, now the time they popular. When they are alive, you don't go popular. But when you go to Kpeme, you can't see the popularity. You can't see the way you become popular for everywhere. So now so the life just be. So my darling people, I will put the video more on listing by myself. Not waiting me will tell you now. More on listing, more on hear with your wife talk. And the wife really makes sense for what she talking. She really makes sense. Like seriously. So my darling people, I will put the video for you people to watch. More and see I beg. Una way they write comment, they go they write bad thing against person we don't die. It not good though. It not good. Because people don't Kpeme already. Supposed to talk good of him, not be bad. You understand? Not be bad thing. Because his wife now the verse. The woman the verse. And no woman wanna go verse, they see what they write against the husband. Again, he be now. Again, he be. You go to see instead when she's supposed to hear people go they write her, they console her, they wish her good, they console her, they tell her they may bear the loss, what don't happen. You come to see bad things where they write against the husband. She not go there happy put. So my darling people, I beg, no they use our HQ, my darling people. Thank you everybody. I will put a video for you people to watch now. So more and see what I dey talk about. Bye.
Hello, good morning, everyone. I want to say thank you to everyone who has reached out to me to console me and about my husband's death, Mr. Ernest Asuzu. Thank you so much. I want to appreciate everyone. And for those of you who are writing rubbish about him on the internet, may God bless you too. I want to use this medium to say, I think it's better you respect the dead. If somebody dies, if you have conscience, you should leave the dead alone to rest. If you feel bad about someone's death, why not write comment that will encourage the family? But going to the internet, writing rubbish, stories that are not true. I just want to use this medium to say, may God forgive all of you. May God forgive all of you. The person who died belongs to a family. He's a father, he's a husband, and he's a brother to people in the family. So if you are happy with his death and you feel you can just write rubbish or say rubbish about anybody who is dead, may God in heaven bless you. Ernest is dead. Let him rest in peace. Those of you who are writing rubbish about him all over the world, writing rubbish about him, may God in heaven forgive you people. If you have ever lost someone in your family, you will know what it takes. You will know what it takes. If you are a good person, you will know what it takes to lose a soul in a family. So those of you who are writing rubbish, instead of writing comments that will encourage the family, continue. All I want to say that, you see this rain does not fall on only one ceiling. It falls everywhere. So continue. Ernest is gone. I will beat my chest to say he fought a very big battle. He was a great fighter. I'm so proud of him. Wherever he is, I'm happy because I know he is in heaven. He's rejoicing with the Lord because he fought a great battle. He would have died the first year of his sickness, the second year, the third year. He fought a great battle. He was very healthy before he died. So I just want to say, to God be all the glory. To God be all the glory. Ernest has gone to rest. The Lord has called him to come and rest because he wants it that way. So may his name alone be glorified. For those of you who have been calling me all over the world, telling me sweet things, just consoling me, may God bless you. But for those of you who, instead of calling me, reaching out to the family, you are going to the internet to write rubbish because the internet is free, Abi? Continue. Continue. That's the only message I want to say this morning. Continue.
Hello everyone. I just want to address something. I don't understand why some of my colleagues will always come on social media when one of us dies and start to run their mouth about how nobody helped the person and how everybody's posting the person's picture on social media to say rest in peace. The fact that you helped the person at one point or the other does not mean that some others never helped the person. The person couldn't have survived probably years of sickness because you helped with some cash. Not everybody wants to make theirs public. So please just cut it. Cut it.
I still don't understand why the actors and the actresses are posting Ernest Asuzu, rest in peace. When Ernest Asuzu was alive, none of you bothered to help him. Only few people managed to help him. Now he is dead. You guys are writing stories. Some of you went to Instablog to comment rubbish, to write rest in peace, my brother, rest in peace, my brother. The one I posted on his page. He came, he saw, and he conquered. Now I'm asking you, what did he conquer? The guy never enjoyed every moment of his time when he was an actor. He never enjoyed life. When this guy was fighting for his life, none of you helped him. Now he is dead. You guys are posting rest in peace. Rest in peace. Tomorrow you people go to church and spend money on pastors, spend money for miracles. Now your colleague was dying. You guys did not bother to help him.